Hello, good morning, dear students. Good afternoon. Let us start today's lecture on differential equations. We are going to start the Harshada. Please share this in the group. Please share this link in the group. Harshada, please share this link in the group. Harshada, please share this group link in the group. Yes, Athar, Harshada, Kaustubh, hi. Everyone, now the last topic, Harshada. Yes, Riya, hi. Sohana, hi, sir. Hello, sir. Harshada, hi. Anish, hi. So the last topic we are going to discuss, that is differential equation. Differential equations. This is the last topic of the calculus. Even class 12th also, this is the last topic, because the other topic which you have is LPP, linear programming problem graph only there. Word problems are removed, and LPP not for JE. So this is there, and solution of triangles is not for the advanced, it is advanced one, not for the mains, even though we will start mains also and board also. Solution of triangles. So these are the only three topics left for 12th class. 12th class we have completed all the things. This graph you are going to learn very soon. Okay, I will explain you graph in the class, or if it is possible online, I'll explain that. Graph is only 2 hours lecture, 1.5 hour lecture. And solution of triangles, okay, takes 3-4 lectures. Now differential equation, our topic is differential equations, and every year JE asking one question out of 25. One questions will be there, and sometimes they are missing this question from this chapter also, but here one question is the possibility to get. Now we are learning the last concept of differential equation. Okay, let us start what is the definition of the differential equation and what exactly it means. Okay, what is the definition of the differential equation? Is an equation which involves an equation which involves an equation which involves an equation which involves independent variable, dependent variable, and derivative differential coefficients. We also called as differential coefficients. Differential coefficients, okay, of dependent variable is called differential equation. DE we called as, DE means a differential equation. Okay, so DE means nothing but differential equation. Okay, I will explain clearly about these all the things. What is the differential equation? First topic is differential equation. We are starting the last topic of this, and JE asking normal questions from this chapter. They're not asking difficult questions from this chapter. And boards, Maharashtra board is asking very simple questions. And some of the topic in Maharashtra board, linear equations, is deleted from this chapter. Some part is deleted in Maharashtra board. Okay, and okay, I will cover all the things. Okay, I will cover JE, I will cover all boards, everything I will cover. Differentiation, the definition is an equation which involves dependent variables, independent variables, and derivatives. That is, the differential coefficients of the dependent variables are called differentiation. What is the meaning of this? I'll just tell you, what is the meaning of this? The meaning of this is, I'll explain before examples, I'll tell you. Dy by dx. What is dy by dx? Dy by dx is called, y is called as, in this dy by dx, this is the dy by dx. In dy by dx, y is called dependent variable. This y is called dependent variable. Y is called what? Dependent variable. Y is called dependent variable. And x is called independent variable. X is called independent variable. Okay. y is called dependent variable and x is called independent variable. This denotes the rate of change. What we can write of dy by dx denotes what? This denotes what we denotes it is denotes rate of change, rate of change with respect to x, we call. So here, before the definition of this one, I am explaining what is dependent and variable and independent variable. You have seen often the dy by dx. dy by dx is not nothing but y is called dependent variable, x is called independent variable, and we know that this denotes dy by dx denotes the rate of change of y with respect to x. I had said many times this one, so I am recalling this point. Okay, next, in another languages, if I want to say that an equation, this is a different, for example, if I say here one example, for this one I am giving the example. What is the example here? We can give the example is, suppose you have an example that is 2x minus 3y plus 5 times of dy by dx is equal to 0. You have like this, okay, 2x minus 3y, okay, 2x minus 3y, like this you have. Otherwise you have d square y by dx square, d2, we can say the d2y by dx square plus y times of dy by dx minus sin x minus 3y plus 5 is equal to 0. Whenever you see, and now I will explain clearly. I gave the definition, I'll explain clearly. X is called independent variable, y is called dependent variable. Okay, so you have independent and dependent variable combination 2x minus 3y. This should be in the polynomial shape, any polynomial shape, and it should be having addition and subtraction symbol, and which is involved with variables, constants, and dy by dx. Such kind of equations are called differential equations. Like 2x minus 3y plus 5 into dy by dx, it is a differential equation. This is a differential equation. 2 square d2y by d, this is what is the meaning of d2y? d2y means y double dash. This is also can be written another way is 2x minus 3y plus 5y dash. I can write as 2x minus 3y plus 5y dash is equal to 0. So such kind of format is called as a differential equation, we call. Differential equation is nothing but you have a number, suppose 3 plus you have 3x. X is there or not a problem. 3 plus you have dy by dx is equal to 0. You have such kind of equations that are called differential equation, means which you have dy by dx, must and should dy by dx should have, and with that some variable, some constant should be there. So dy by dx with addition of some constants, some variables, such kind of equations are called differential equations. So 2x minus 3y plus 5 into dy by dx, this is a differential equation. d2 square, this can be written as what other way? y double dash plus y into, this is I can write y dash minus sin x minus 3y plus 5 is equal to 0. This is called a differential equation. Why it is called differential equation? It is involved dy by dx. An equation which is involved dy by dx of natural power, an equation which is involved with the dy by dx with a natural power, they all are called as differential equations. This is what we say. An equation which involves, now listen to me, an equation which involves, so this equation which involves independent variable, dependent variable, and derivative coefficients. Independent variable, dependent variable, differential coefficient. Differential coefficient means dy by dx is the differential coefficient. d2 square y by dx square is a differential coefficient. An equation which is involved like such things, they are called differential equations, we call. So d2y by dx square, this is involved differential coefficient. This is involved differential coefficients. Independent, dependent variables and differential coefficients. An equation which is consist of independent, dependent variables with differential coefficients, such kind of equations are called differential equations. What we call them? Differential equations. These are all called differential equations. Okay, you can see dy by dx is there, x is there, y is there. Dy by dx is there, dy by d2y by dx is there, sin x, whatever it may be there. But if it is involved dy by dx anywhere, an equation which is involved dy by dx, suppose for example dy by dx is equal to 4, this is also differential equation. This is also differential equation. If you find anywhere d2y by dx square or d2y by anything, a differential coefficient is present in the equation, then we call them as differential equations. Such kind of equations we called as differential equations. Did you understand what is differential equation? Do you understand what is the differential equation? Yes. Do you understand what is differential equation here? Yeah. Did you understand what is the differential equation? What is the differential equation? Do you understand? Yes, understood. Yes. Differential, yeah. Differential equation is that. Suppose you have d square y by dx square, d2 square by, this is also called d2 square by d. This is called as second order differential coefficient. This is called as second order differential coefficients. What we call this is second order differential coefficient. Differential coefficients. See here, first lecture will be very basics. I'll explain differential coefficients. Okay, differential coefficients. Okay, differential coefficients. And if you have dy by dx, this is called as first order differential coefficients. If you have d cube y by dx cube, this is called as third order differential coefficient. So differential coefficients. So coefficients we called as, these are differential coefficients. Okay, if you have that one, we called as differential coefficients. Okay, and so if you have d square y by dx square is equal to 0, this is also a differential equation. You don't think this is not a differential equation. This is also a differential equation. Okay, are you getting it? And in that understood, I think you have understood x is called independent, y is called dependent. Y is always dependent, x is called independent. Okay. Now, hope you understand. Differential equations are two types. Now, differential equations are how many times? Two types. Now, I am explaining that. Types of differential equations. Types of differential equations. Types of differential equations. Okay, there are two types of differential equations. One is ordinary differential equation. One is what here? Ordinary differential equation. And the second one is partial differential equation. This is you learn in higher standard in B.Tech, M.Tech, in that places you learn. Another one is partial differential equation. Partial differential equation. There are two types of differential equations. Okay, there are two types of differential equation. One is ordinary differential equation. One is partial differential equation. Okay. So what is ordinary differential equation? In differentially, each is said to be ordinary if derivative of dependent variable and reference to single independent variable only. Okay, single independent variable only. Okay, here it is here. If differential is said to be ordinary, differential equation said to be ordinary is said to be ordinary if derivative of dependent variable as refers to single independent variable, as reference to single independent variable. So entire chapter we are going to learn ordinary differential equation. We are going to learn ordinary differential equation, we are not going to learn partial differential equation. How they will look like, I'll tell you. In ordinary differential equation, what is ordinary differential equation and what is partial differential equation? In ordinary differential equation, you will find like d cube y by dx cube plus y into d square y by dx square plus anything dy by dx plus phi is equal to 0. This is what we called as ordinary one. It is in there y in x. So this is expressed in single y and x. This is ordinary differential equation. Another one is the differential depends on the variable have reference to two or more independent variables. If it is independent variables are more than two, like here, I want to say, like I'll just explain you there. You understand here. You have the here thing is you just see independent variables. How many are dependent variable is y. Independent variable how many? Y x. Only single variable is there. You just see here. You try to understand what is ordinary and partial. Ordinary means here variable is x. Here variable is x. Here is variable is x. So one single variable is there. This is one single variable. It is one single variable. So this is independent. X is independent. Independent how many are there? Single. That is x. So this is ordinary. This is ordinary. Okay. And what is the partial? Partial means the same thing will be there. Definition is same. Differential equation is said to be I'll write as this is will write as this first line is same and the second line in the place of ordinary we write as partial differential equation of the dependent variable as reference to here in the place of single you get two or more. In the place of single you get as two or more independent variables. So independent variables. For example, I'll explain you the example. For example is dou f by dou x plus dou f by dou z plus dou f by rz. Dou f by dou r. Suppose you have like this. See here, independent variable how many are there? This is x, this is z, and this is r. So such kind of things are there. See, the independent variables are more than two, not one. This independent variable is not only one. So such kind of these things are called partial differential equations. We called as them partial differential equations. Okay, they called as partial. This is called ordinary. And we are going to learn ordinary, not the partial. Partial you will learn in the future. So you should know actually what is differential between them. So these are the ordinary differential equation. This is the partial differential equation. Partial means this independent variables are different. See here, this is x, this is z, this is r. Like here, the independent variables are changed. That is more than two you have. So they are. This is called as partial differential equation. Okay, now degree and order. Now this is very important topic. The first basic topic we are entering now. Now this is which you are going to learn. It is very important. That is order and degree. Okay. Next point is order and degree. Okay. Order and degree. So you have to know what is the order of the and degree of the differential equation. Order and degree. Make the important for this one. This is the first point you are going to learn here. The first point is order and degree. Okay. The first point you are going to learn here is order and degree. So let us, are you understanding or not? Let us find some here. In the order, highest order derivative isn't. Yeah. See here, order is what here? Order. What is order? I'll explain. What is order? What is the degree? So there are the two terms we are going to discuss. One is order and one is degree. This is important. Okay, this is important. You have to learn this point, very important. Okay. So this is very important thing. I am going to explain you order and degree. Everyone, yes, understanding, correct. So please answer to me in between so I can understand that you are understanding or not. Okay, I will give so many examples on this because order and degree also they're asking in exam, JE exam they're asking. So and in the Maharashtra city they're asking CF or Maharashtra board also they're asking 2 marks question. Okay, so that is MCQ they're asking this question compulsory getting in exam. Maharashtra CET, Maharashtra board and JE mains, JE advanced they're asking this question definitely. They're asking this question so much. Yeah, they're asking this question so much, so try to understand this concept here. So now what is order? It is the order of highest differential coefficient. Order is what here? It is the order, it is the order of highest highest. Yeah, this one concept you will get 2 marks definitely in Maharashtra board, CBSE also. CBSE they will get answer. Maharashtra board, JE means Maharashtra CET. This question is compulsory. So learn this concept. Okay. So it is the order of highest differential equation. Is the order of highest differential equation. Differential equation is the order of highest differential equation. Okay. Occurring in the equation. Occurring in the equation. Occurring in the equation. In the equation. What is the meaning of this? I'll tell you. Suppose dy by dx is there, then this order is what? Order is 1. If we have d square y by dx square, then the order is 2. If the d cube y by dx cube, that is order is 3. Sir, these are simple questions they're asking in boards. No. It is, I am going to explain. Wait. Small things you need to understand from the basics, so you will understand what I am going to explain you. Okay. So for example, for a small example, look at here. An example I'll take d power 4 by dx power 4 to the power of 10 plus 3 into d3y and dx cube to the power of 20 plus dy by dx plus 9 is equal to 0. This is the differential equation. I am taking the example here. This is the differential equation. Now you just tell me in this what is the dy by dx power is what? What is the differential quotient power? This is 1 time. This is 3 time. This is 4 time. This is also can be written as y trouble. See it. We can write as y 4 times dash power 10 plus 3 into y 3 times dash power 20 plus y 1 time power dash plus 9 equal to 0. This is very simplest way. So in that, what is the highest time the derivative is happened? This is 4 times happened. So this is called order. So order of this answer is order is equal to 4. So the order is 4. Did you understand what is order? Order is 4. Did you understand what is order here? Did you understand what is order here? Dear students, let me know. Did you understand what is order here? Did you understand what is order here? Order. Do you understand what is the order here? Yes. Can you tell me what is the order you understood here? Say d power 4 you have into y, g into x power 4, d cube y by dx cube. You have like this. So the order is what here? Yeah, Suhana said yes. Yeah, understood now? Order is how many times you have done this. So 4 times I have done. So you have done 4 times. So 4 is the order. How many times you have differentiated that? So that is the order we call. Okay. So this is what we called as order. Okay. Order. Did you understand what is order? So this is what we called as order. Did you understand what is order? I'll explain more questions. Okay. This is a simple questions I am explaining, basic level. Then what is the degree? Now you have to understand degree. Degree of a differential equation, if degree of the highest order derivative in it after the differential equation have been expressed as a polynomial over. So that is called as what we called as degree. Degree you have to understand. I will explain you some more questions, but before that, I try to make you understand what is order and what is the degree. Okay, first of all, let me explain the degree and order. Okay, so degree is what here? Degree is the highest power of the highest order derivative occurring. So degree is what here? Degree I am writing here. Degree of differential equation. What is the degree of differential equation? And we will do both at a time. It is the highest, it is the highest power, it is the highest power of, it is the highest power of highest, it is the highest power of highest order derivative, highest order derivative, highest order derivative. Okay, occurring in it, occurring in it, occurring in it, occurring in it. After it has been expressed as, it has been expressed has a, as a polynomial of derivatives, derivatives. What is the meaning of this? I'll explain you. Just be, yeah. So actually, what is the degree of differential equation? Degree of differential equation is, it is the highest power. It is the highest power of highest order derivative. Is the highest power of highest order derivative occurring in it after it has been expressed as a polynomial derivative. What is the meaning of this? I will explain. Before that, let me give them an example and I'll explain you. Okay. So let me give one example so that makes you easy to understand. Then I can explain you what is polynomial is speaking. What is speaking about the polynomial, all this. Simple. The thing is, you know that the previous example I said dy by d power 4 by dy x power 4 whole power 10. Okay. Plus 3 times of d cube y by dx cube to the power of 20 plus dy by dx plus dy by dx plus 9 is equal to 0 you have. This is the equation you have. In that, what is the order? I told you order is d here. This is differentiated 3 times. This is differentiated 4 times. This is differentiated 1 time. So how many times it is differentiated? Yes, that is the order. So order is what? Order is 4. Order is 4. Why is the order is 4? Because highest time derivative happen in the equation, that is the order. So this is happen highest time derivative. This is happen highest time derivative 4 times, the order is 4. And what is the degree? See this here. The highest power of highest order means the highest power of highest order. Highest order power is the degree. Highest order. This is the order. This is the order. Order highest power. This is what is the power. Order whatever is there, that power is the degree. So don't take this one. This is not. 4 times you have derivative. You have done the derivative 4 times. For this order, the highest power of highest order derivative is occurring in it. That is called as degree. So the degree is here. Degree is equal to 10. Degree is 10. Suppose this question is changed. Question is changed like this. Suppose d power 4 by dx power 4. This is their power 5 plus d power 4 by dx power 4. This is your power 16. Okay. Suppose you have d square y by dx square plus 9 plus something is equal to 0 is there. Now you have, this is differential equation. In this differential equation, what is the highest power? Highest order is what here? This is order and this is also order. Both are same order. This is the order, this is also order. But this power is 5 and this power is 16. So order is 4 for this. Order is 4. But the power is here 5 and the power is here 6. The highest power you have to take. So 16 is the degree. So degree is equal to, here is degree is equal to 16. 16 will be the degree, because the highest order, the highest power of highest order. So the highest power of highest order derivative, that will be the degree here. So the degree will be 16. 16 will be the degree in this case. So this is, you understood the difference between here and there, this and here, this and here. Did you understand the difference? So, okay, hope you understand. Order and derivative is very important for Maharashtra board, Maharashtra CET, different CBSE. Okay, JE also asked the question. We will do the previous year questions of JE on based on order. So you understand that? Yes, clear all, sir. Yes, great. Now here, so that's great. You have to understand one by one, and this is a very easy topic. See here, if you know differentiation and integration, this chapter is end. You know differentiation and integration means this chapter is easy. If you don't know differentiation and integration, then this will be difficult. That is a simple funda for this. So what is I want to tell you about the polynomial. Sorry, in the question is polynomial is said. Why they said polynomial? I'll explain that one. That is the main point I want to explain it. I forgot to explain. Now I am going to explain it. Why they said as a polynomial. You know, any polynomial has the power is natural number, not a fraction. Okay, that is the reason they use the concept of that. Okay, what is the meaning of that? I'll explain you. 1 second. I'll explain you what is the meaning of this. Every polynomial, generally polynomials are in this shape: a power n x power n plus a power n minus 1 x power n minus 1 plus so and so plus a1 x power 1 plus a naught. This is the polynomial. When we can say it is a polynomial expression, when n is belongs to natural numbers. N should not be, it's a positive integer. It should be a positive, n should be a positive integer. It should be a positive integer, then only it is a polynomial. Okay, it should be a positive integer, right? It must be a positive integer, same as it is in here. Also there is a condition, power of differential should be a natural number. So here the same way, suppose if I am expressing here 5 plus dy by dx plus dy by dx whole power 1 by 2, if I write like this is not a differential equation. This is not a differential equation because the power should be a natural number. Suppose you have here 5 plus dy by dx, you have whole square, plus dy by dx whole power 3 by 2. You have like this, means this is suppose is equal to 0 is there. Suppose you have like this. So then this is not a differential equation because the power is 1 by 2, the power is 3 by 2. But if some chances are there, sometimes this power is the fraction, we can change and we can eliminate that power into natural number, then that will be exist. But if it is not possible to eliminate this power into natural number, we cannot make this into natural number, then that is not a differential equation. Means this should be always a natural number. That is the reason they given polynomial derivative. So that is the reason the definition has given like that. So I'll give you one example so you will understand how to solve these problems. Okay, so this should be a positive natural number. Must be natural number. Differential equations, I'll write you that point here. Power of different derivatives should be a natural number. See here, this is the main point. Power of derivative must be, should be, or must be, whatever is maybe, should be natural number. Power of derivative should be natural number. Okay, power of derivative should be natural number. So that is the important point you should know here. Power of derivative should be natural number. Okay, can I erase that? Yeah, power of derivative should be natural number. See, you don't worry about the syllabus. See here, almost we are ending it. Here next week I am going to start sequence series in class 11th, and this is all good. Next month we'll finish this chapter. Definitely we'll finish it. The question is, next month your syllabus will finish. So find order and Find order and degree. Find order and degree of the following. Of the following. Of the following. So I made you understand what is order and degree. So now I am going to explain the problems based on this. Okay. So find order and degree of the following. The first question we are discussing now. The first question is here. The first question is dy by d2y by dx square is equal to y plus dy by dx to the power of 6 whole to the power of 1 by 4, and is asking to find the order and derivative, order and degree is asking. So we have to find the order and degree of this differential equation, order and degree of this. Can anybody tell me what is the order and degree of this? Can anybody is able to tell me what is the order and degree of this? What is the order here? Can anybody tell me what is the order of this one? So this is you have. Can anybody tell me what is the order of this? Can anybody tell me what is the order of this? Can anybody tell me what is the order of this? Okay, I'll tell you now. See this. d2y by dx square is equal to y plus c. Here everyone should answer something high, something you have to say. Order is 2. Suhana, correct. Order is 2. Yes, Suhana. Degree is 1. No, degree will see. Okay. What we'll do here, actually I told you it should not be have a fraction. Power should not be fraction. Power is 1 by 4 is there. Yes, is it you are able to see that? So powering 4 on both sides. Oh shit, what happened? May I know what happened? Hello? Is the live is working? Please anybody tell me. Is the live is working or not? The live is going on. I am not able to see your any charts here. Is the live is working? Please let me know. One of you call me. Is the live is working? Please send me a message. Okay, okay. I'll see in the phone. Okay, okay. I'll see in the phone. Wait. So live is working or not? I want to check it. 1 second. Actually, I am unable to see your live. Is the live is going on or not? Second, I am not able. Yes. I'm not able. Yeah. You are able to see now. Can I explain the question? Yeah. Let's see. Yeah. I am able to see here. So it is working. It is working here. I'm able to see here in the mobile. Okay. Yeah. Fine. See here. See what I do here. Power 4 I cancel. Power 4 I cancel. Now it is coming into the fraction part. This is d2y by dx square to the power of, I am getting this is the power of 4 is equal to y plus dy by dx to the power of 6 I got, to the power of 6. Now this is totally derivative is expressed in polynomial. Polynomial means natural power it is expressed. So now I can see what is the order here. Order is equal to, here order is equal to 2. Order is 2. Order is 2. Okay. Order is 2. Yeah. Degree is 4. Yeah. You are answering. Yeah. Now is okay. Na? Order is 2. And the degree you can see here. Degree is equal to what I am getting. I am able to see your chart. I am seeing your chart here. We are not getting their charts. So now degree is equal to how much? Degree is equal to 4. Degree is equal to 4. Correct. Somebody asked, answered it. Very good. Yeah. I think now Tanishka answered and Suhana answered. Degree is 4. Yes, correct. So this is the way to understand. First of all, you have to make it to the polynomial power. Polynomial power, it was not there. Now we made it there. Okay, is it clear? Now let us move on to the next question. Let's move on to the next question. Everyone, let's start. Next question. Let us move on to the next question. Yeah, so it is working. It is working here. I'm able to see here. Mobile. Okay. Yeah, fine. See. Okay, fine. So next question. Next question. We'll start the next question. The next question is. The next question is said. Next question is. This is the important question. Okay. It is the important question. We can say that the degree of the differential equation, degree of the differential equation y of x is equal to the given 1 plus dy by dx plus 1 by 1 dot 2 1 into 2 d square y by dx square plus 1 by 1 dot 2 dot 3 into d cube by dx cube plus so and so is dash. So and so is dash. This is a previous year question. Option A is 2, option B is 3, option C is 1, option D is 4. Okay, now let us see the answer. Everyone, let us see the answer now. What will be the answer here? Now, come on. Can anybody tell me the answer? Can anybody tell me the answer here? Y of x, polynomial in x. And that means this is there. Y of x is equal to the given. You just see this one you have seen somewhere. 1 plus, you have seen somewhere. You just look at that. 1 plus x plus this is x square by 1 into 2. That is 2 factorial plus this is x cube by 3 factorial plus likewise. So this is which is the function? This is e power x function. This is the e power x function. I explained limits concept when I teach you limits concept. At that time I explained this function is e power x. This function is e power x. So this whole question is convert now. This whole question will convert into e power x. Like e power x means what here? Y is equal to. This is y is equal to. This is can be written as e power. In the place of x, what we have? Dy by dx. Okay, y is equal to e power dy by dx. I can write. So this whenever you have it by dx, but I should have always this is in polynomial. Always I should have in polynomial, not like this. So this is not correct. So what I do here, I will make into a polynomial shapes to make that one apply log on both sides. Apply with base e log on both sides. So ln y is equal to ln dy by dx to the base e. Okay, ln you can write it. So what I am going to get here, I am going to get as ln y is equal to dy by dx. I am going to get here what? I am applying what here? Log on both sides, right? Log I am applying on both sides. So ln y with base e, ln y with base e. This is what we have. Ln y is equal to, I can write as ln y is equal to dy by dx. This is it. This is exponential. So do one more thing. It is exponential converting to logarithm. It is exponential form converting to logarithm. So if you convert into logarithm, what I am going to get here? Dy by dx is equal to ln y. Okay. Exponential converting to logarithm. Suppose 5 square is equal to 25. So 5 square is equal to 25. So what I get here? Log 25 with base 5 is equal to 2. This will be jump here. This will be comes here. So you got the same thing here. Ln y is equal to, you got here ln y is equal to log 25 with base 5. So log y with base e. So dy by dx is equal to, you got ln y. Now it is a polynomial shape. There is no problem in the power. So now the order is how much? Order is equal to how much? Order is 1 and the degree of this one is 1. So degree is equal to 1. So order is 1 and degree is equal to 1.
Did you understand this? Did you understand this order and degree? So did you understand this order and degree? So degree is equal to 1 and order is 1. Yeah, understood, right? Any doubts? Yeah, understood. Yeah. Yes, Radhika understood. Yes. Nikita, I am clear. Anaga understood. Very good. Now let's move on to this. This I will explain slow level. Slowly, we will go to tough level. Okay. So this is what the degree, how to identify the degree and the order of a differential equation. We are discussing this chapter in detail. Okay, we will discuss in detail this chapter. Don't worry. So let us move on to the next question. But one thing I am telling you is that the previous question something happened like this. You are not able. Suppose if I happen like this, sin x. Suppose I'll tell you one thing. You just remember this. Sin of x plus dy by dx you got is equal to something phi you got. At this time, degree is not defined. I'll tell you once again. Remember, and whenever you have like this, you cannot change this one. Like you cannot make dy by dx subject. If you are not able to make dy by dx subject, you cannot separate dy by dx out of the function, then that time order is 1, but degree is not defined. Remember, this is a very critical point I am explaining. This is one differential equation, but just I took the random example here. This is the random example. Sin of x plus 2 dy by dx is there. I cannot change this. Suppose I can change like how x plus dy by dx is equal to, I can write sin inverse phi, I can write sin inverse phi. I can, if I want to write it. Suppose if sometimes it is not able to write sin inverse phi, it is not exist. Suppose phi is not in the domain, not exist in that. At that time, but it is exist now here. Okay, fine. But if any cases, if such cases happen, you are not able to convert into. I'll give in further examples, not now. In future, I'll give examples which we cannot convert into differential equation form. At that time, degree not defined. Okay. At that time, degree will not be defined. Okay, I will give the examples of such questions, and it is comes when it is occurs. Okay. Before that, let's solve some questions only. Yeah. The next question is here follows. The next question is, okay, the next question we are going to solve. That is M and N. If M and N, if M and N are the order, M and N are the order and degree. Today we are going to discuss only this topic. I'll wind up after 15 minutes. I told you exactly 1 hour I'll take the class. Don't worry, because I targeted one chapter 1 month. If I take 1 hour also, no, sufficient, more sufficient. But this chapter cannot take much time. This is a simple chapter. If M and N are order and degree of the differential equation, okay, differential equation d2y by dx square to the power of 5 plus 4 into d square y by dx square to the power of 3 divided by d cube y by dx cube okay, plus d cube y by dx cube is equal to x square minus 1. Then for option A, m is equal to dash, n is equal to dash. Option B, m is equal to dash, n is equal to dash. Because I am explaining this content concept clearly, reason is you will get definitely sure question in Maharashtra board, Maharashtra CBSE, as well as in JEE Mains. JEE Mains, some chances are there, not confirmed in this. But still I am explaining all type of questions I want to explain. I may take tomorrow also this class on this basic, because it is very important, essential to understand this concept. Okay, the different type of questions I'll pick up, I'll explain you. So you will become master of this. So it will be easy to score in the exam. That is what the main intention. Okay. The question is, if m and n are the order and the degree of the differential equation d2 square y by dx square power 5 plus 4 times of d3 y by this is there. You have to find which one is the correct. Okay, they given the answer. So 3, 5, 3, 1, okay, 3, 3, okay, 3, 2. You have to answer this one. What is the answer for this? So for finding this one, first of all, you have to know that it must be in a polynomial form. Polynomial form means what? Degree must be 1. If you take this degree is 1, if I take up, it will become negative. So this is not in the proper form. So first of all, we convert into proper form. Okay, students. Okay, students. We will convert into proper form. That is here. This is I can write as y double dash to the power of 5 plus 4 times of y double dash to the power of 3 divided by y triple dash, this is y triple dash to the power of 1 plus y triple dash is equal to x square minus 1. So what I do here, to eliminate this one, I multiply all the sides. Each term I multiply the y triple dash. Y triple dash I multiply each side. So I get as y triple dash into y double dash to the power of 5 and multiply each way. Okay. I am multiplying here y triple dash cancel out. So what I got here 4 into y triple dash into y double dash to the power of 3 plus now I multiplied here y double triple dash square I will get plus this into this square is equal to x square minus 1 into y triple dash. So what I have done here, simple thing, you want to understand this is another format, that is I did LCM and did the cross multiplication. Otherwise, simple other language I can say that I multiplied each term with y triple dash each term. So after multiplying each term by triple dash, I got that equation. Let's see which answer is correct among them. So now you can see that y triple dash, this is y triple dash and y double dash to the, this is the power is 5, okay, and plus 4 times of y triple dash and y double dash to the power of 3, okay, plus y triple dash to the power of 2, okay, and this is I can write as y triple dash x square minus y triple dash. So what is the order? Can anybody tell me what is the order here? Order is 3. Order is 3. What is the degree here? Degree. Can you tell me what is the degree here? Degree is the order power, highest order power. This is 2, you have a degree. So degree is equal to 2. So now order is 3 and degree is 2. So hope you understand. Order you got and degree you got. So here m is equal to 3, n is equal to 2. So option D is the right answer. Okay. Hope you understand. Let's move on further. Try to understand this concept in detail. So are you getting it? Are you getting it? Okay, okay. Are you getting it? Right? You're getting now? So what I want to say here, so I will explain 2-3 questions. I will start this lecture because I said I will take 1 hour. So don't worry about that. Okay, because you have some other plannings. I know. Find the order and degree of the equation. Find the order and degree. Find the order and degree of the following. Now the next question is sine inverse. Next question is said as like this: sine inverse dy by dx is equal to x plus y. You have this. Okay, you have this one, and you have to find the order and degree of this one. The order and degree of this one you have to find. Okay, what do you have to find? Order and degree. So this I told you already that if you are able to convert it to polynomial power, then that is the right answer. So what you do here, order you can see by this one, you can tell order is everyone can say order is 1. Only degree exists or not exist in the point here. Sine inverse, then that's it. What is taking sine on both sides? Take the sign on both sides. Take the sign on both sides. Sign on both sides. So what I get here? Sine of sine inverse. Sine of sine inverse dy by dx is equal to sine of x plus 1. So this I am going to get dy by dx is equal to sine of x plus 1. Now dy by dx become separate from the sign inside. So now this is correct. So the degree is 1 and the order is 1. So degree of this is 1. Degree is 1 and order is 1 of the differential equation. So hope you are understanding this concept in detail. Are you understanding or not? So let's go on to the next question to understand this concept in detail. So order, we are discussing only order and degree here, everyone. Okay. Now let us go on to the next concept, next question. Like undefined when happens. I just want to make you understand that also. When it is undefined happens. Suppose you have a question like this. You have a question like this. E power dq by dx cube minus x into d square by dx square plus y is equal to 0. See here, e power you have, and I told you this must be is independent. Now, this is not between of e power में नहीं रहना चाहिए, sign में नहीं रहना चाहिए. It is there, it should be shifted. It should have shifted. Only one variable is there, means it's shifted. But you have addition, subtraction, it cannot be shifted. Means it cannot be separated. What I want to say here, you cannot make d cube by dx square as a subject. If you are able to make it as a subject, then it's fine. If you are not able to make it as a subject, then in this case, what we write as the order is equal to, the order is 3 and the order is 3 and degree is not defined. Degree is not defined. Because I cannot separate this. If you are able to separate, then only we can make it this. So this is what board level, this simple question they ask. Okay, this simple question they ask in board level. So you should know this, what is the degree and what is this. Are you understanding this? Are you understanding this? Yeah. Now let me explain another one. Suppose you have like this, another question. That you have another question. That is sine inverse of dy by dx. Sine inverse of dy by dx is equal to x plus 5. You have like this. See here, what I was saying is that the difference here I cannot separate it, but here I have a chance I can send sine inverse this side. I can send sine inverse this side. So I did this one. Dy by dx is equal to, I wrote as sine of x plus 5. I separated now. I made this as separate. So here we have a degree and we are having a order. There is no problem in this question. Try to understand. For example, one more question I take. One more question. D power 4y by dx power 4 minus sine of, you have d cube by dx cube is equal to 0. Now you have this question. Can you tell me what is the order and degree? What is the order and degree in this case? If I want to tell what is the order and degree in this case, I want to tell what is the order and degree in this case. Look at this picture. You need to understand this. Here I cannot separate sine that side. I cannot separate now. This is not possible. Now it is not possible to separate that side. If I say, if I want to do some logic here, I'll tell you. If I send that side, I get as d power 4 by dx square. I want to explain the difference between this question and this question. Why happens here? Why not here? I want to tell that time. This is most important. Make it star. Very, very important. Make it very, very important. This point. Because here sine inverse dy by dx is equal to x plus 5. Here this sine inverse I can send this side. I can separate this as dy by dx here. But in this case, I cannot do. This is what? If I send this is that side, I get what we get. Sine of d cube by dx cube I get. Now tell me, If I send sine this side, the sine will become sine inverse of d power 4 by dx power 4. I cannot separate, no. I am not able to separate, no. This picture, this fellow coming in middle, and this fellow is not able to separate. This fellow is not able to separate because these two pictures are like, we cannot make it separate them, and we cannot make this as a subject there. Here it is possible. I made it this side. I had sent this side, and this dy by dx, this differential coefficient is separated. Now here is the clear picture I have. I can say what is the order and what is the degree. But here that cannot be happened. So order will be here. Order will be 4, and degrees does not exist. Degrees DNE. DNE means what? Does not exist only. That is the main important thing to have to understand here. Some pictures, the degree will not be exist. That you need to understand. Here is the situation demands that it cannot be separated. The differential equation, the differential coefficient is not separating from the sine or anytime you remember log, sine, like inverse trigonometry, exponential. In that function, differential coefficients are there. They must be separated. If they are able to separate it, then only we will find. If we are not able to separate it, then we cannot find anything. That is the very important point you have to understand here. Hope you understand this picture, and I hope I made this clear to make you understand order and degree. And this is very important. And this is very, very important. Let us see one more example to make you understand clearly this picture. So one more thing is ln. You have ln dy by dx is equal to ax plus by. This is what they said. Now, can you separate this? Can anybody tell me? Can you separate this? Yes, I can separate this because there is no problem. Ln is there equal to only there. There is no plus sign minus sign. So I can convert this ln in exponential. I can convert in exponential form. Logarithm can be expressed in the exponential form. I can write dy by dx. I can separate the dy by dx from the logarithm. That is dy by dx is equal to e raised to the power of ax plus by. And this is happens here. Here this is happens. We are able to separate this. When we are able to separate this, then we can write the order and degree. And the order is 1 and the degree is also 1. Why degree is 1? Because this coefficient power is 1. So degree is equal to 1. So this is what generally you need to understand, dear students. The order and degree. I hope I made it you understand clearly about the order and degree. If it is possible, you can rewatch it if you are not understand. So we have completed the topic of the order and degree. For the practice problems, I will send in the group. You can practice the problems based on the order and degree. We have completed one subtopic, one small subtopic, that is order and degree of differential equation. We have started the differential equation chapter, and in that we have completed order and degree of the differential equation. It's a very simple topic, but I had explained you how it can be done. Still, if you want, tomorrow I will explain still 2-3 problems based on this, and then we will move on to the next concept of the differential equation. I hope have taken 1 hour time, 1 hour 5 minutes. So as per I said, I will end up this stream by 1 hour. So I am concluding this stream. Take care. Bye-bye.